Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this COMHOMA, also C-O-M-H-O-M-A, COMHOMA, artificial Christmas tree. This is a Christmas decoration with a height of 195 centimeters. It is made of PVC materials with over thousands of tips, thickened branches, foldable, removable with robust base branches, and automatically contract pine green. It's also available not only in green, it's also in yellow-green available on the market. The product size of the artificial and Christmas tree are 1.95 meter. It's a long artificial Christmas tree, consists of 1,000 plastic branches. The Christmas tree height is approximately 195 centimeters. The Christmas tree diameter is approximately 113 centimeters. And the stand diameter which is included is 45 centimeters. And Disassembly and Foldable. With the particle umbrella folding system, it can be set up and taken down in minutes. Then the branches and the tips can be bent into the desired shapes and decorated as desired. The dismantled Christmas tree can be stored in the original package, of course. So, we have a sturdy metal stand and a high-quality workmanship. Easy to assemble, and it's an automatic tree craft. The Christmas tree stand is made of metal hinges, thus making the Christmas tree more stable and durable without chopped tips. It's made of flame-retardant PVC. The Christmas tree pins are fluffy and can be easily dusted. And they are perfect as a Christmas decoration, as they make our Christmas holiday safer. In addition, it has a stable base, so we don't have to worry about it being knocked over. And this artificial Christmas tree can be placed indoor or outdoor. For example, in the living room, on the balcony, in shops or in the office. We can also decorate it according to our taste, and it will bring us joy all day. A Christmas tree, that is Christmas spirit, of course. This is a decorated tree, usually an evergreen in conifer, such as a spruce, a pine, or a fir, or an artificial tree as here shown, of similar appearance, associated with the celebration of Christmas in Maine, of course. The custom was developed in Central Europe, particularly Germany and Livonia. Now it's Estonia and Latvia, where Protestant Christians brought decoration trees into their homes. The trees were traditionally decorated with roses made of colored paper, apples, wafers, tinsel, sweetmeats. Moravian Christmas began to illuminate Christmas trees with candles, which were often replaced by Christmas lights. After the advent of electrification, of course, today there is a wide variety of traditional and modern ornaments, such as garlands, baubles, tinsel, and candy cans, and angels or a star might the place at the top of the tree to present the angel Gabriel or the Star of Bethlehem, respectively from the nativities. Edible items such as gingerbread, chocolate, and other sweets are also popular and are tied to or hung from the tree's branches with ribbons. The Christmas tree has been historically regarded as a custom of the Lutheran Church, and only in 1982 did the Catholic Church erect the Vatican Christmas tree. In the Western Christian tradition, the Christmas tree are variously erected on days such as the first day of the Advent, or even as late as Christmas Eve, depending on the country. Customs of the same faith hold that it is unlucky to remove the Christmas decorations such as the Christmas tree before 12th night, and if they are not taken down on the day, it is appropriate to do so on Candlemas, the latter of which ends of the Christmas Epiphany season is some denominations. The Christmas tree is sometimes compared with the Jubilee tree, especially in discussions of the folkloric origins, of course. You see, a Christmas tree has big tradition and makes a wonderful job because it brings the joy of Christmas to your home. And it's much better for the nature if you use an artificial Christmas tree because this tree you can continue using day for day and years for years. A wooden tree will be dead after 1 or 2 months, of course. And that's not good, I think. This artificial Christmas tree here you can use for 5 or 10 or 15 years. That's better for nature if you go to recycle it after this time, this period. This is a really cool thing for the Christmas season for you. It's easy to assemble and fast to disassemble again. This is the COMHOMA artificial Christmas tree. It's a Christmas decoration, which you do not have only to decorate in the Christmas time, of course. It is in a height of 195 centimeter and it's made of PVC material with over 1,000 of tips, thickened branches, and it's foldable and removable with robust-based branches. And we have an automatically contract pine green device here, which makes a good job and looks really okay. And it's not so expensive. So this is a good thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Have a good Christmas time. Soon.